You honoured me with a bounty of cheese and onion crisps for Larder Archeology. So I have 5 packets of cheese and onion crisps. They were like the most popular item in the poll that you did, but not something you particularly wanted me to cook with. But I'm going to ignore that and cook them with them anyway. But first of all, let's have a taste. So we have Discos, Walker's Squares and McCoy's. And McCoy's were the most popular of the 3. So McCoy's ingredients: potatoes, sunflower oil, cheese and onion flavour. Loads of ingredients in the cheese and onion flavour. So have a little tasting. Nice and crunchy. Not a terribly strong flavour. More cheesy than oniony. Despite their like really intense colour, they're not like, oh, it's developing that cheesy flavour. They're not over flavoured. Now let's move on to the Discos. First ingredient, wheat starch, then dried potato, then sunflower oil, then all the flavourings. So these ones are like not mostly potato, they're mostly wheat. A bit softer in a texture. Not so crispy, a little bit chewy. More cheesy. Slightly almost bitter. And finally the squares. Ingredients: potato granules, sunflower oil, potato starch. So kind of made of reconstituted potato. Really crispy. Slightly almost fizzy. Quite airy, very cheesy. Feet cheesy, cheese flavour. Do love a crisp. Mustn't eat them all though, because I'm going to cook them. I'm going to make potato chip chicken tenders. I'm calling them potato chip because I only seem to be able to find American recipes for this. It's kind of like a bit like fried chicken, but not fried, baked and coated in a crumb of crisps. Step 1 is to crush up the crisps. I'm mixing them all together for this because I don't think there'll be enough otherwise. Oh no! It's like a fairly decent crumb, maybe a bit coarse. Certainly well seasoned. So the other ingredients we need is 1 egg well beaten with a tablespoon of milk added, some flour and some chicken breast which has been cut up into portions. Also need a lightly greased baking tin. Right, first thing then is to lightly flour the chicken, egg white, egg mixture, crumb, baking tray. There we go, here's the crumbed chicken. We're ready to go in the oven for about 15 minutes at 180. So here they are. Ended up being in for about 20 minutes. It didn't particularly need turning over because the oil on the bottom made them crisp up on the bottom. I turned the heat up a bit at the end because they just was not getting crispy enough, and I think that's better, so they ended up cooking for about 5 minutes at 200, maybe 200 would have been better. Let's see what they're like. Right, here they all are. Let's have a little tasty. So it's kind of crisped up nicely on both sides. I think the crumb could have been a bit finer, or maybe just more of it. You can definitely still taste the cheese and onion. Quite greasy. Not up to the standard of fried chicken, but for a quick and easy substitute, I won't say it's a healthy substitute, but certainly quick and easy. Worth a go.